What's up, guys? Are you the type of person that wants to find a job working from home virtually? Well, I found the site that has all kinds of jobs, and they're all legit that allow you to work from home virtually. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? So today we're going to be talking about how to make up to $20 an hour virtually with legit online work from home jobs. All right, so before we get started, if you're new to my channel, welcome. What I talk about on this channel is make money online, affiliate marketing, and bring to you legit jobs for working remote if you're not interested in the passive income niche. All right, so before we get started, welcome to my channel. Hit that subscribe button. Give me a like if you like this content. Give me some comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And if you have any questions on this, post them below in the comments, and I will reply. And if you have any interest in making money passively online, then hit the link in the description. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and get started on how to make up to $20 an hour virtually, legit, at-home jobs. All right, so the site I'm going to be talking about today is remote.co. So remote.co is a site that you can find remote work from home jobs. So when you first come into this site, it's going to bring you to this page, all things remote work. And this is a legit company. It's a job search board. It's been on CNN, Fast Company, Entrepreneur, CNBC, PC World. So you can see it's a legit, really reputable company here, right? So it's a job board. And what we're going to do is when we come in here, we're going to look for remote work from home virtual jobs. So we want them virtual because we want to be able to work from home from a laptop and earn an hourly income. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is you got these categories over here on the right, and the site's a pretty nice site. It's got a little blog. It's got remote jobs, just regular work from home jobs, and it's got virtual jobs. So what we're going to be doing is we're looking for the virtual jobs. So we're going to go here to remote jobs. And then when you're in remote jobs, you're going to have these categories here, right? So whether you're design, IT, medical, coding, whatever it is, they have all these different remote jobs. What we're looking for is virtual assistant jobs, right? We are looking for specific virtual jobs because we want them 100% virtual. We don't want to be remote and then have to go into the office every once in a while. We want virtual jobs. So what you do is you come in here and you select virtual assistant, and then you start going through all the jobs, right? There's tons and tons of jobs. So what we're doing, we're going to go through here. We're going to apply for all the jobs that we can, right? We're going to click on virtual assistant. This is a part-time job, 10 to 20 hours a week. And here's it's $18 an hour starting rate. And you need experience in Google Suite, so how to use Google Drive, Google Word, stuff like that. Microsoft Office, which is the same thing. If you can use Microsoft Office, you can use the Google Suite. WordPress, which is a simple web building software. You can learn that by watching YouTube videos. Facebook Ad Manager is a plus. So this right here, you can learn all this on YouTube, and you can study it for a week and know how to do all this stuff right here. So guys, here's a job right here, working from home, 10 to 20 hours a week, making 18 bucks an hour. All right, so just right off the first one I clicked on. And we can go through a couple of these, right? Virtual scheduler. What's a virtual scheduler? Virtual scheduler looks like $10 an hour. They're looking for 5 to 40 hours per week, a minimum availability of 20 to 30 hours. And you must be able to navigate emails, call logs, call list, online phone system, online mapping system, action to detail, proficient with Google Docs, and sales experience. So it's probably using your phone and making calls. Probably that's probably all you'll be doing on this. So that seems like a decent, easy job for $10 an hour. So you just keep looking through these, right? Fundraising operations assistant. What is this? 40 hours a week. About 15. Well, don't really tell you what they're charging an hour. I guess you have to interview first. But this one seems a little more advanced. What they're hoping for is somebody with CRM experience, basic data entry, and exposure to like SQL, and fluent in non-English is even better. So you just got to go through all these jobs. So what I would do if I were you, I'd come here and I'd go through each one of these jobs, and I'd just go through and apply for all of them that you feel that you have a niche for, and hopefully one of them will call you back and give you a job. But guys, I found this site the other day. I was browsing myself remotely for remote jobs, and I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. So I wanted to share with you this site. It's 100% legit. You can go through it, look for remote jobs. If you whatever you got experience in, whether it's data entry, or you may have a sales experience, or you may uh, personal assistant or something like that, an admin. Guys, this is where you go to find real legit jobs working from home. All right. So hopefully you got some value out of this, and you'll like this remote.co site that I found. Again, if you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. Give me some likes. Give me some comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And if you have any questions about this content, post them below and I will reply. All right. Again, peace out. Thank you for watching the video, and I will see you tomorrow.